afternoon. This time is heard a message from the representative of RES Pupils, the SELG President, Mr. Alexander Gaslen Leone. Today's performance can wait. Ladies and gentlemen, our SELG President.
To our hardworking Barangay Captain, Honorable Sammy Cruz, our beloved Principal, Mr. Alan Arcilia, to all our amazing teachers, SPTA officers, and to all our dedicated Kagawad, good afternoon. Today, we gather to celebrate Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to honoring the unsung heroes who shape our minds, ignite our passions, and guide us towards a brighter future. Standing here today, we feel a wave of gratitude wash over us. It's not just for the knowledge you've imparted, but for the unwavering belief you've shown in each and every one of us. You've seen potential in us that we sometimes couldn't see ourselves, and you've encouraged us to reach for the stars. You've taught us more than just lessons from textbooks. You've taught us about perseverance, kindness, the power of curiosity, and the importance of never giving up on our dreams. You've been our mentors, our confidence, and sometimes even our friends. We remember the times when you stayed late after school to help us understand a difficult concept, or when you encouraged us to participate in school activities, even though we were nervous. Or perhaps it was the time you shared a personal story that taught us a valuable lesson about life. These moments, big and small, have shaped who we are today. We've learned to embrace challenges, to believe in ourselves, and to strive for excellence, all thanks to your guidance. Each of you, in your own unique way, has touched our lives and made a difference. You've inspired us to be better students, better people, and better citizens. Today, we want to express our heartfelt thanks for everything you do, for your patience, your dedication, your passion, and your unwavering belief in us. You are the pillars of our community, the architects of our future, and the true heroes of our time. To all our amazing teachers, you are all true heroes. Happy National Teachers Day at pagbuhay ko kayo lahat!
Thank you so much. So yan, grabe ang energy ng ating SELG President because of his teachers from kinder to grade 6 here in Rizal Elementary School.